Hi guys, in this video we'll be going through tax assessments and how to dispute them if you're not in agreement. So when you file your tax return, you get issued with an assessment. It's also known as your ITA 34, and your tax assessment should essentially match what you declared in your tax return. After reviewing it, if you're not in agreement or something did not pull through correctly, you can either lodge a dispute, also known as an objection, or you can, as a taxpayer, request for reasons from SARS for them to explain why they got to a certain amount. So this is what your assessment will look like. It will show you your type of assessment. It will be your original assessment. If SARS makes any adjustments to your assessment, it will either be known as an additional assessment or a reduced assessment. It has your payment due date if there's a payment, reference number, the year of assessment, and you'll go into the assessment summary information, and it will give you your income, your deductions, your taxable income. It basically just gives you a breakdown of what you had in your tax return and each specific section. So if you had an IRP 5, it will break it down, your income, your deductions that came off, any other deductions, and overall the amount that is due to SARS or refundable. Now, if you're not in agreement after reviewing your assessment, so say you did your SARS calculator, you saw the amount, and when you filed your tax return it didn't agree, you can either request for reasons. So you're going to go onto your SARS history page where your return would have been submitted, and there are the following buttons: dispute or request for reasons. If you want reasons and you want SARS to provide more detailed explanation for how an amount was calculated or why they did something they did, you click request for reasons. If you already know that it's incorrect and you have your information you want to justify and you want to write a letter or explain to SARS, you'll click dispute. When can you do this? So from your date of assessment, you have 30 business days to either request for reasons or to lodge an objection. With request for reasons, if you do this, when you get your reasons back from SARS, you then have 30 business days to object. So that is how to read an assessment. So that this video basically is if you're not in agreement, because it is very important. SARS can make mistakes, but it's also important for you to understand how to read an assessment, and because there could be possible things that you don't pick up and then it goes unnoticed. So thank you.